Go home happy with the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.